What is up, guys? This is Alt Life back again with another day trading technical analysis video, and today, you guys, we are going to be talking about Blocktix. As you can see here on the CoinMarketCap website, we're looking at Blocktix with a market cap of around 17 million, and today, as you can see, it's up 168.5%. We'll take a look at the all-time chart here, and as you can see, it once traded from around a month ago at the 50-cent range, which it's closing in on right now. So if today or later this week it hits that 50-cent range, it could run for a huge breakout. But as you can see here, the volume spiked to around 12 million USD around a month ago, and today we're having similar volume around the $14 million USD today. So something's going on. It could be a pump and dump, but there's always opportunities to trade, and this looks like a really good play today. So let's go take a look at the trading view charts. And right here, I have a couple notes, but I'll explain everything in detail so you guys can understand my logic and my technical analysis behind why why I'm doing certain things here. So as you can see here, if we zoom back on the 30-minute chart, we have this almost ridiculous parabolic pattern forming right here. With the previous high. Let's see if you can see it here. Let's see here, right here. So we have this resistance level here at around the the 5,300 Satoshi level, and then the next resistance level is the 5,700 Satoshi level. So right now we're gonna go back to the 5-minute chart so it'd be easier to see this. And as you can see here, let's see right here. All right, so today, at around, what was it, yesterday, from 6 p.m., we had this just huge spike in volume, which a bunch of people were buying this, and it went from 2,000 Satoshi up to 3,500 Satoshi, so that's a good, more than 50% right there, with this decent pullback right here. So basically, sorry about that. So basically right here it had this this bounce off the support level here at the 2,500 Satoshi level, and quickly ran up here to touch the resistance level at that current time, which was 3,500 Satoshi. So I have this little note here. So it says second resistance is checked with a small pullback, still trending, check for a third time to break out. So basically the logic behind this is it checked the first resistance level, which was the 3,500 Satoshi mark, and it didn't break through. So what I was looking for on the play here for the day trading opportunity was to see if this thing would have a small pullback, but still stay above the support level here at 2,500, which it did. It had a small pullback here to the 2,800 Satoshi level, and it held this uptrend right here, as you can see. And the opportunity that I jumped in on this play was around the what was this, the 3,400 Satoshi level right here when it broke. Let me see if I can zoom in here. When it broke this really small resistance level here at the 3,400 Satoshi level, which I wanted to see if it would break up. It would break out of this current resistance level here at the 3,500 and run for a breakout, which it did. So I was able to capitalize on a small gain right there of around let's see here, 35 to 40, so around 12%, give or take. So it had this small pullback. I wasn't able to get back in because I wasn't sure that this trend could continue this straight upward. So I let this trend go all the way up here to the 5,000 Satoshi, 4,800 Satoshi level here. It had this huge pullback. I thought this trend was over, but it started to consolidate sideways, as you can see here on the RSI graph down below. It stayed around the 50 RSI level. So I was thinking, all right, it has to prove support somewhere. So right here we had this support level here, as you can see right there at around the 3,900 Satoshi level. So it bounced off once right here. It bounced off again, so I was thinking, all right, it's bounced off twice. It's going to at least trend upward for until this gap, and then the bulls and the bears can determine if this thing, goes through that resistance level of 4,300 or starts trending downward and breaks this resistance level here. I mean support level here around the 4,000 Satoshi level. So I was able to capitalize on the small gap here from the the 4,000 Satoshi level up to the 4,200 Satoshi level for a small 5% gain. It continued to downtrend right here. It broke through this resistance level, small resistance level here at around 4,300 Satoshi level, continued upward, consolidated sideways, and it touched the resistance level here at around 5,000 Satoshi level here, and with a small pullback. So that was my indicator there. I had this huge resistance point right here at around 5,000 Satoshi. Second resistance point here at the 5,000 Satoshi level. So what my plan was, I was going to see if it would test it a third time. It consolidated sideways in this direction. It held the a higher support line, continued to trend upward, trended sideways with the RSIs you see here, and then it broke through right here at the 5,100 Satoshi level. So I played this the same way as I did before, and I was able to capitalize on this second breakout again from 5,000 to 5,700 Satoshi levels. So there was another small play there, but as you can see here, you can look into the future. We'll see if this consolidates sideways again, and hopefully trends upward towards the the previous month high. Let's see if you can see it here in the hour. It looks like it's it had a previous high on the Bittrex exchange at around it looks to be like 9900 Satoshi. So that's almost a 2x gain, but I'm not thinking it's going to go up that high, guys. But we'll see if we can hold this pattern and consolidate sideways and continue to trend upward in the near future. So that's the play that happened today. Look forward to tomorrow, see if it's if people panic sell, and there's a good opportunity to buy there. But this trend is holding pretty well right here, as you can see, and it's continuing the trend upward, and looks like a good buy to trade because the volatility is there. As you can see here, these small little dips here are 3 to 5% easily if you just play those, but those are a little high risk. So potential for a couple plays in this trade today, since the volume is there, the volatility is there, and this coin came out of nowhere, and the volume's there to trade it. So that's it for today, guys. That's the video for my technical analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.